At Rolls Royce, innovation is in our DNA.
It's what we do every day. Mobility and IT is key to us all in our daily job, and one of the most critical things we need to do is always be able to enable our people, wherever they are, to do their job.
We needed a real solid process to handle our global travelers. Our previous model was a 48-hour SLA. An engineer or an operations professional could be out in the field for 48 hours without access to emails or their mobile device.
One of our challenges at Rolls Royce is our security doesn't always allow us to connect at a hotel. We have hotspot capability on the phones, but getting it turned on and off when they travel is just a burden to us. It's an admin burden.
When we set out to put this improvement in place, we knew it would increase our activities with MOBI support. And looking closer, it was a 300% increase. We all knew that this would not be possible without automation. My account manager at MOBI, Josh, introduced me to the concept of MOBOTs, MOBI's solution for automation.
Using MOBI has allowed us to find the effective solutions that keep people connected, but also found creative solutions to allow us to drive down employee costs per line by 40%. So every month we get different reports. What I do with the report is just take a look and see if there's any anomalies. One example, we had an individual who travelled to South America. They've been using the same call-in line that they use when they're in the US. That racked up a bill of $5,000 in 1 month. We could quickly contact the person, understand what he'd done, and give him options to reduce that cost. So immediately saving money for Rolls Royce.
Mobility support used to be a big issue, and now with MOBI, end users just take it for granted, which has been a huge relief off of my group, because like most IT organizations, we're not really set up for supporting mobile devices.
It comes down to not always just focusing on the dollars and cents, but how do we give the most effective service to people.
When Rolls-Royce first started using MOBI, a lot of people talked about how great their service was. Now people don't even talk about it, which is great because IT services shouldn't be something that people even have to think about. So MOBI's really stepped in, done a great job of that. Now it's just like electricity, people just take it for granted.